Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Happy Thursday night, and it's time for another Forex Talk Review. But before we get going, let me just check something very quickly so we can go and have a nice session. Just need to verify that we are actually, yeah, I think we're good. I'm pretty sure we're good. Are we? I think we're good. Yeah, we got it. All right, cool. All right, so welcome back for the existing followers and welcome to the new followers. So if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate notification. Really important because I rarely go on at the exact same time. As you can see, I'm a little late today. I was had lots of meetings today and actually kind of ran out of time a little bit. So I do apologize about that, but it's part of the game. So yeah, it is what it is. So how was your week, guys? How was your weeks? It was a crazy week. We had FOMC, which was pretty quiet today, but man, election. Woo! Election. Sheesh. Man, the US dollar is strengthening like there's no tomorrow right now. So I don't know. What's your top, man? What do you guys think? What do you guys think about all that? Let me know where you're from. And this show is called Forex Talk Over Beer for a reason, because obviously we're going to talk Forex, but we're also going to enjoy a nice little drink, right? Because it's Thursday night and we all deserve it. Let's do it. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. So if you don't have a drink with you, man, run to the kitchen, go grab something. Beer, shooters, champagne, mimosa, I don't know, whatever you guys drinking. Maybe it's the morning at your place. Maybe you're having orange juice, milk, I don't know, water. Who cares? We just need to do a cheers, okay? So, and please don't be shy to drop a hi in the chat. Let me know again if it's your first time, if you're new, where you're from, okay? But first thing first, let's do the cheers. 3, 2, 1. Cheers, guys. That's pretty good. Solid. So I'm actually this episode should be pretty plain and simple because don't have crazy trades right now. Got one small loss that I need to discuss with you, and that was pretty much the only trade that I took this week. Let me just, yeah, I think that was the only one. So, but a lot of stuff is about to happen. I know I've been saying that for 2 weeks, but the market's been so slow because of election, and I think everything was trying to not trying, but was waiting to see what's going to happen before we move on, right? So let me hit the chat for 1 second, see how everybody's doing. We got Roland. Hi, Sasha. How you doing, buddy? A pleasure to be here. Like your videos. Oh, thank you, man. Very appreciate it. Hard week. I did not take nothing because market are going crazy. Exactly what I just said. Yes, you are so right. By the way, I don't know, Ian, if you're here, if you're watching. I know Ian's all often there. I am so sorry, dude. I completely forgot to look at your charts. Oh man, I just realized when I was connecting, I was like, oh my god, I forgot about Ian. I've been slammed with the business this week, so I do apologize. And yeah, I'm so sorry, man. Usually I try to answer pretty quick the fastest I can to all the questions and chart that's been sent out my way. Because I like to help the community, right? So but this one, I kind of dropped the ball on you, so I'm so sorry. But you know what? We'll do it. You know what we'll do? We'll start with that. You know what? Fuck it. We'll start with that. Give me 1 sec. All right, let's switch the screen here. Let's go check the chat here. Oh, actually, that was it. That was Ian right there. There we go. Cool. All right, so we're gonna do this. Okay. So, question from Ian, and now I'm just wondering, are you okay for me to show this? I hope so. It's too late, I guess. Okay, let me put the screen bigger. Let's drop the banner. And all right, let's get going. All right, so the question coming from Ian. Hope you don't mind hearing you. Hold on, wait a second. I can have good, thank you. I'm new to SF strategy and but the core. I'm finding it a bit hard marking on the chart for daily and 4 hours. HHHL and lower high, lower low lines. Okay. Could I send you a few? Oh yeah, okay, answer that. Sure, bud. Okay, perfect. Okay, sorry, I was just trying to catch up here on the questions. Okay. And after that, we'll go break down some charts. But I want to start with this because I completely forgot this guy, and I do apologize. I'm so sorry. Thank you, pal. Okay, so Euro USD. This is the daily chart. All right, so let's take a look. Can we get this bigger? There we go. Cool. All right, cool. So this is the daily chart. Okay. Okay. So this is not bad. Actually, can we? Yeah. Okay. Cool. This is not bad. What you did there. You put your high low there and your high. I do understand why you did this. It's because you think this is an elbow. I personally, and someone can argue and be not agreeing with me, and that's okay. For me, the best way it's been working for me. Again, I'm not saying I got the only solution and the best solution. And this, you know what? With this banner, I got my name on my neck. You know, hold on, wait a second. I need to change this. Sorry, man. ADHD kicked in. I do apologize. What was it, Brent? Hold on. Please stand by. Stand by, ladies and gentlemen. What about this? Whoa! No, no, thank you. Okay. What is the difference between this one and this one? This one. Weird. That's so weird. What about this? I guess. So weird. I got it in my neck. What about this? Oh, no. I guess this. All right, let's do this. Cool. All right, so let's do this. I'm just gonna stand over here. Okay, sorry about it. Man, why am I so distracted today? Okay, so now I do understand why you did this over here. It's because you count this as an elbow. So now let's go see Euro USD. Euro USD. Was it Euro USD? Just want to make sure. How do I go back from this? There we go. And yeah, that was it. Euro USD. Okay, perfect. Let's go check it out. So Euro USD daily chart. Oh yeah, that was a couple of days ago. Okay, that was here. Okay, cool. So you see, if it was me marking that chart, I would have been marking this. Actually, not even this. Actually, let me just put this smaller. Yeah, for me that'll be straight down. Okay, so this. Oops. This. Let's put it just orange, so it's different color. Maybe not. Let's put it black. All right. So this. Let me do Control V, and okay. So that would be my lower high, and that would be my lower low right here. Plain and simple. I don't see any elbow here. I don't see any elbow here. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense for you, Yen. But now this is my new daily lower low, and this is my new lower high because we created a new lower low here. Okay. So, and that's also why I'm interested in the day trade here. I usually, for people that have been following me for a while, you do know that I don't trade Euro USD and USD CAD. But this week, especially for the next week coming, I'm willing to make an exception, and I'll explain you why in a couple minutes. Okay. Now let's go check out the other question for Ian. By the way, let me write a message here as I'm. By the way, I think that's funny. By the way, I'm answering your questions live. I think that's funny on YouTube. Now, boom. I don't know why I found this so funny. Okay, so this is H4. So let's see, open in the browser. Okay, cool. So H4, you put your high low here and your higher high here. Okay. Okay, here we have a mistake though. Okay, so here we do have a mistake. Okay, so let me do this with you. So on H4, let me go back. Where was it? So this was, let's see the structure right here. I'm pretty sure that is coming down, coming up. Okay. H4 coming down. And actually, let's remove this one. We had a support there. After that, oh, that's right here. Okay, right here. Cool. Okay, excellent. So let's start from there. So clearly this, I mean, whatever, this was a lower low, and up here was the lower high. So let's start from there. So once price broke under this area, we have now our new lower low, and we have our new lower high. Once price close, once price close under here, we now have our new lower low. And here I don't see any clean elbow. Okay, so it's like it's kind of a 90 degrees, right? So it's not an elbow, right? So this, like when you take a pen, you see this is a clean elbow, this is a clean elbow. This is just like, kept on this 90 degrees. You see, so I mean here that's an elbow, clean elbow, clean elbow. Okay. Okay, so now let's delete all this. Oops. Oops. Okay. Okay, so now, since now we got our new lower high, we got our new lower low. Once price broke above here, we now have our new higher high. This is the new high low. So now we just flip bullish. Anything in between those two lines is just market structure. Once we broke above here, we got a new higher high. Here we don't have any elbow. Here, I mean, here we can discuss. Like I did not my favorite elbow to be honest. Actually, no, this is not an elbow at all. Oh, sorry, guys. So here after that you got your new high high and you got your new high low, and you keep going like this, new high high, this is the new high low, and once again, once we pass this area, we form a new high high, a new high low. Once we close under here, now we got exactly the structure that I have right now on my chart, which is the new lower high and the new lower low. Okay, so that's why I'm waiting here. So let's talk about this trade. Okay, this trade idea. This is going to be a trade that I usually don't take because I hate Euro USD. This is probably the most manipulated pair out there. I just hate it so much. But everything makes sense. Plus, the USD is taking so much strength right now with election being won by Donald Trump. And I mean, I'm not here to talk about election. I don't want to talk about politics at all. But not matter of fact, but I mean, the point is, no matter that we like it or not, the US is strength. The US dollar is strengthening very hard right now. So I'm actually willing to do an exception here because everything else makes sense. If you're looking at the weekly time frame, we already bearish for a while, right? We're bearish from here to here. Anything in between is just market structure. If you're looking at the daily time frame, we broke under this. We broke under this area. We have the retest, retesting major QP. We have a nice engulfing daily candle right here, bearish, and now we have a small pullback. Okay, which is great. We're gonna retest previous structure that was broken. Amazing. So that's why I was waiting for the pullback inside that H4 golden zone. And this is what we got now. We got a doji, which is beautiful. Now, if I go down to the lower time frame, my H1 is bullish. So the only thing I do need right now is H1 going back bearish. So the best thing for me will be something like this, something like this, this, break under, and retest and go. Okay, so that would be my best option. And if not, I mean, I'm gonna have to sell like under here, right? Which is not optimal. Okay, I would love to create a new high here. Okay, so yeah, but that's going to be probably a day trade. Probably not going to hold this one for too long because, like I said, I hate Euro USD. It's probably the most manipulated pair out there. So that's why I try to stay away from there. Okay. So, all right. So, any question about that one? And after that, we'll move on to the regular pairs. And hopefully, Ian, that was answering the question. And if not, reach out to me again by DM. That'll be my pleasure. Cheers, guys. Okay, so by the way, guys, don't be shy in the chat. Don't be shy in the chat. If you have any question, if you have a chart that you want to review, send it over. I'll review it for you. That'll be my pleasure. Let's check it out. GJ. GJ is always on top because that's my main scalping pair. That's the only pair that I do scalp. And look at this. All right, so here now, if you're looking at the weekly time frame, we are still bullish. I'm still waiting for the daily pullback. Oh yeah, that was for the day trade idea, but this thing is now no good. So right now for swing, I'm not looking at anything right now for GJ. Like I said, we are bullish on the weekly. We are creating a higher high right now. I don't even want to look this as a continuation trade because I'm bearish on the daily. Look, I'm bearish from here to here. Okay, so yeah, not interested in anything for GJ except for maybe scalping tomorrow morning. I'll check it then. All right, what about GU? GU weekly time frame is bullish. We got a nice deep pullback. Man, if this week can close like this, I think next week we're gonna have a beautiful trade. Look at this. I'm pretty sure we do respect. Do we respect the safety net? Oh my God, we're sitting right on the safety net, so that's beautiful. So if we do close like this tomorrow night, I think next week is going to be a beautiful trade to the upside. The only thing I need is this. I want this weekly candle to close above the major QP. For me, that would be even an extra confirmation. We came down to retest previous structure. Beautiful. For me here, there's no elbow. Those are doji candle. Those are write-off candle. For me, they are indecision candle. They give you no information. So write-off candle for me. So you move this candle side by side with this one, you don't have any elbow. Okay, so you got your high low and your high. We passed the golden zone, obviously, but we're sitting on a safety net. So that's the last area where I'm interested into taking a trade. Now, if you're looking at, let me check the time right now because I might go play pickleball tonight, so I need to check my message for 1 second. Sorry, guys. Where's this at? There we go. Okay. Okay, guys. Cool. All right, let's charge this phone. All right, cool. So look like. Okay. Let's see. Let's continue. Sorry about that. Okay, so daily right now. Okay, let's recap. So weekly is bullish and daily is bearish at the moment. So I do need the daily to go back bullish to take this trade. Okay, that's very important to understand. I need this to flip back bullish, meaning that I need price to close above here. Retest, go up. Okay. So that's not for today. That's not for tomorrow. That's gonna be for next week. Okay, but beautiful trade. At first, it was supposed to be a day trade to the downside, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it was supposed to be a day trade to the downside. That's what I wrote here. But now I do look for next week. But the first idea was a day trade. Okay, the first idea was a day trade to the downside. And it's still valid. It's still valid. Like tomorrow, I might be willing to take a day trade, but a very quick one, maybe slash a scalp. And the reason why is because we are right here at this H4 golden zone. Daily is bearish. We have a small pullback. H4 is bearish. Now to take this day trade, I need H1 to go bearish. Okay. So if we do go bearish on H1, I might take a day trade on GU. Okay. So that's very important to understand. But next week, it's going to be, if we close bullish, obviously we've got to trade what we see, not what we think, not what we expect, So right now, what's in front of me, what I see is a day trade potential. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to say H1 going bearish. And I think the 30 minutes is the same, if I'm not wrong. Correct. Okay. So I do need a smaller time frame, SOS, switch of structure to go down. Um, do you have a question pumping? Let me see. Dax, did you trade election week? I did took a loss, which is usually what happened. Uh, but it's a very small risk though. I reduced my risk. Very, very, very small risk. I don't even think I had 1%. I think I had 0.5 or something like that. Like very, very small. So I don't really care. That's what I do when I do trade those crazy time. Let's say FOMC or NFP. If I do take a trade because I think everything makes sense, I will reduce my risk, because if not, it's just stupid, like, well, like it's like playing a roulette. If you don't do that, it's like, it's so stupid. It can go your way, but it can go so against you. So for me, those main event, I usually stay away and wait for the storm to pass and then enter after. Okay. USD GPY. USD GPY. USD GPY. All right, cool. So USD GPY is bearish on the weekly. What a beautiful pullback. You know, like this is clean as F, for the first time ever. I dropped that F bomb, I'm not saying it's not going to happen again, but um, so yeah, so we got a nice pullback here. We got a smaller body candle. That exactly what I explained at the beginning of the week. Like if we have a smaller body candle here, we see the exhaustion to the upside. Here you're gonna say, yeah, you're lying because it kept pushing. Yeah, that was, I don't know what happened here. But technically, usually, most of the time, and again, trading is probability. Yes, you're gonna have exception. You're gonna have those crazy time. It goes crazy, but most of the time, you gotta be trading on most of the time on probabilities. Put the probabilities your side. By the way, guys, what the hell is going on with the like button? Like, like, is yo smash the like button right now. Like, what's going on, guys? I'm giving free advice. Giving you my time. I don't need to be here. But I want to reach out more people. I want to help more people. Okay, so help me out. Let's get the algorithm going. Okay. Okay, so now smaller body candle. If this week closed the doji like this, it's big chance that we're gonna come down next week. Okay. So here, let's take a look at the daily. Daily is bullish. We do need the daily to go bearish to be able to take this trade. So like I said, probably next week is going to be also a beautiful trade. So we got GU as a day trade, maybe for tomorrow, but mostly a very good potential trade to the upside for next week. USD GPY looking good for next week. Let's see USD CHF. USD CHF also nice pullback here to the upside, and again, some people's going to debate on this elbow. I personally remove this doji. For me, it's a no go, no elbow here. Here we have this nice pullback inside a weekly golden zone, which is also no, it's not a weekly area of interest. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily right now is bullish, obviously, because we needed a pullback to the upside inside that weekly golden zone. Now we need the daily to go bearish. So again, what I would like to see is price doing something like this, go like this, come down, retest, go down. Okay, oops, more like this. Okay, so that will be the best. So again, so clean, very clean. What about 4 hours? 4 hours bullish still. So yeah, gotta wait. So now we got the 4 hour and the daily bullish. And again, there's people right now that's gonna be saying, "Hey man, Sasha, listen up. We got man." Like I ask you guys nicely to smash the like button. You guys don't like me. Like what the fuck is going on? But yeah, what about I was about to say is there's some people that's gonna say, "Hey, Sasha, listen up. There's the daily and the H4 in sync. We can take a day trade." No, no, not in this case. Okay, why? Can someone say or tell me why you don't want to take a day trade here? Can someone give me the answer while we're waiting for the like button to being smashed? I need an answer. Cheers, guys. Give me one answer. Come on. One answer. I need an answer. I need an answer. Come on, guys. No answer? Okay, I'll give it to you for this one. Okay. The reason why you don't want to do a day trade here, because we are right at the area where we are expecting rejection. Okay. Am I saying that it's not going to go up 100%? No. But if I'm at the area where I'm expecting price to being rejected, does it make sense to take a day trade to go to the upside? No. Okay. So that's very important. Okay. So here I'm not interested in that day trade because I'm exactly where I wanted the price to be able to go down. Okay. So, and again, it might just continue up and that's all good, but rules are made for a reason, rules are made for a reason and you need to follow them. Okay. Very important. Okay, so let's see. I think we are good here for USDCHF. What about GA? GA, where's my loss? Which pair was it? Is it coming up? I had a loss on to that. Oh, right here. Okay, cool. Sorry, I just want to make sure we talk about that loss because there's nothing worse than people just talking about their winners. Like it's like those guys on IG and YouTube never lose. And what the fuck, dude? Get the fuck out of there. There's no one that win 100%. Just such a lie, such bullshit. But you should focus more on your winners than your losers. That's for sure. And when you're studying your trading, like always spend more time studying your winners than your losers. Okay, that's one mistake a lot of people do. They just spend way too much time on the losers. Okay, so now USDCHF, we talk about it. GA. All right. Let's see. Is GA still interesting? Very, very. All right, so we're bullish on the weekly. All right, we're bullish on the weekly. Nice deep pullback. What about the daily? The daily, we completely destroyed the golden zone. I'm going to remove that. We completely destroyed the first area of interest. And oh my God, we almost flipping bearish here. Okay, let's take a look at where is the golden zone on the weekly though. All right, so we're past the golden zone. We're getting to the safety net. All right, so this pair doesn't look nice now. I mean, even if we create support here, oh shit. Like right now, just create a new lower low. Actually, this is a no elbow here. Yeah, no, fuck GA. GA is not nice anymore. Bye. Okay, CAD GPY. CAD GPY does look nice. Okay, so here is the difference. Okay, so here I'm willing, even if we're creating a higher high, okay, I'm willing to take what I call a continuation trade. Okay, even if we are at a high high, creating a new high, this weekly candle, if you're looking at this weekly candle, already broke previous high, meaning that there's bigger probability for price to continue to the upside than to the downside with respective previous low. If you look left, we got clean traffic to the left to continue to the upside. So I'm like, all right, cool. All right, cool. So let's check out the daily. Daily create a new high. We got to pull back. Let's look at last time. Last time we went from there to there, pull back, push up. Okay. Daily, I mean, that golden zone is like magnet. Okay, crazy. So now let's remove this. Let's establish a new one. So let's see here. We got the daily golden zone. Perfect. Excellent. You see, waiting for H4, high low potential for continuation move. So that's exactly what I'm waiting for. I'm actually, even if we don't reach this area, I'm going to be willing to take it. And the reason why is because we came down, retest this previous structure, which is probably 382 on the fib also. Is it? Look at this, 382 on the fib, which is also known as a rejection area. Perfect. Excellent. 1 plus 1 equal confirmation. Now, if you look at the, sorry, my dog did a funky noise. So H4 is bullish. We got this nice pullback. Beautiful. Let's take a look at the golden zone on H4. We are getting in it. Actually, this is the beginning of the push to the end of the push. Beginning of the push to the end of the push. Okay, cool. So we're getting right at the golden zone. Okay, cool. Now let's check H1. So H1 is boom, 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 boom. Actually, from there to there, and from whoopsie, from here to here. All right. So let me place an alert here. That's gonna say, oops, H1 going bullish. And I'm also gonna place another alert because I want to keep track and refresh my chart once we're gonna be, if we do create a new lower low. So I'm actually gonna also place another alert here. That's gonna say creating H1 creating new low. There we go. Yeah, that's nice. Cheers. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got something. Cat GPY is looking nice. I'm actually gonna move this up. Oh. Yeah, super nice actually. Probably that tomorrow, probably gonna be able to have a trade here. Pretty sure. I mean, maybe for you guys in London session, people that do trade London session, I don't. I don't let trading dictate my life, so that's why I refuse to stay away all night. It's so stupid. I mean, if you're young and you're like 20, 22, and you don't have, family to take care of, you don't have a business or like a serious important job, or like maybe you can, allow yourself to not sleep, but I can't. So, all right. So now let's move on. Country PY uses NZD right? Because we did USD Did we? Did we? Did we just do USD Guys, can you tell me if I just did USD Not sure. Did we talk about the USD Yeah, I think that's the one we just. Oh, what the fuck? Cat GPY is the same. No, we did USD Well, USD GPY look alike. Oh, fuck, I'm going crazy, guys. Help me out here. All right, the chat. Let me see the chat. Yeah, you did. All right, thank you, Roland. Someone's following. Thanks, dude. All right, so now let's move on to NZD All right, cool. All right, so weekly here. Weekly time frame. All right, so we are bearish on the weekly. We had a nice pullback inside a weekly golden zone, and since then we're pushing down. I'm looking for a continuation trade here. So the daily, but now I'm fucked. So now this trade idea is no good. Later, boom. Let's delete this, remove, delete. Oops, thank you. Let's update that. Bullish. Daily high. Daily high low. There we go. And the weekly is bearish and H4 is bullish. So no thank you. Later. Boom. All right, so Euro NZD weekly time frame is bullish. We're bullish from here to here. Since then, we've been playing around though. Let's take a look at daily. Daily looks decent. We passed the golden zone. We are though at the second area of interest. We completely destroyed a major QP, so let's remove that. Did we respect the safety net? Woo! We did pass it, but all depends on how this daily candle is going to close. So next week, Let's say that this candle close above, bullish, establishing support. I'm still willing to take it. But for now, we don't know where that's gonna stop. So yeah, stand by, because anyways, no matter what, I need H4 to go back bullish. And at this stage, we just create a new lower low right here. So that's why I got an alert here saying H4 going bullish. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for. Let's move on. Cheers. Man, I'm starting to be empty here. All right, so weekly time frame here on Euro GPY. We are bullish. Can we have a continuation trade? We got clean traffic to the left. This weekly candle only have 1 day left. Look like, if it closes like this, it's going to be a doji looking for a pullback. So yeah, anyways, I'm waiting for that pullback here. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. So stand by on Euro GPY. We need that pullback, but it looks clean though. It looks clean. If we got this pullback, that'd be beautiful. For our went bearish, obviously, because we need that pullback. Boom. And boom. Cool. Hey, by the way, guys, if I'm going to... Oops. Let's remove this here. By the way, guys, if I'm going too fast, please let me know. Stop me. Ask question. Do something. All right. So by the way, guys, don't forget to smash the like button, please. Elbow drop the like button. Like, trigger it. Headshot to the like button. Whatever you have to do. It'll literally take 1 second for your index to click that like button. If you're not willing to do that, how can you expect yourself winning in trading? Common sense, anyways. Liked it, sir. Thank you, man. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I knew you did. All right, so let's take a look. Weekly time frame, CHF GPY. We are bullish. We are bullish on the weekly. Where's my... Okay, here we go. So we are bullish on the weekly. We are... Oh, we just put bearish on the daily. All right. No, I'll go here. Boom. Daily low, and daily lower high. Daily. Here we go. So now we got the weekly bullish. We got the daily bearish. You know why the daily is bearish, guys? Because the weekly need a pullback. So we are at a high. We had a doji last week. Huge rejection to the upside. You can call it a hammered candle, whatever you guys want to call it, but definitely like a rejection candle. We already, this weekly candle already passed this low, respected this high. So odds are pretty good for price to go to the downside now, expecting a pullback. Daily is going bearish. Can we get a day trade maybe to our area? Okay, so let's see. You know what we'll do? We'll do a test with you guys. Not a test. How can I call it? Not experiment. Whatever. We'll try something. Okay, so let's do it. So if you look here, I need to wait for this candle to be closed though. So next week, Tuesday morning, you know what? Tune in to the live session, and I'll show you how I will maybe counter trend. I'll go against my weekly. Okay. I've been doing that a couple of times, been super good. So I'll show you, because looks like we have a lot of room for a move, but we need this to close bearish. So right now it would be like, it wouldn't mean anything for me to talk about it right now, because it's not for sure yet, So Tuesday morning, let's talk about it. And if I do forget, please guys, remember me. Remember, give me a heads up. Say, hey, Sasha, do you remember on Forex Talk Over you talk about CHF GPY, possibly counter trend trade? And I'll go over it. Okay. Please send me a reminder. Okay. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. weekly is bullish for a while. Yeah, oops. Weekly is bullish for a while. We are on the daily bullish still, but whoa. Yeah, this one doesn't look nice now. Yeah, I mean, we're about to flip bearish here on the on the daily time frame. So this one's a no-go. Cheers, guys. Okay, so let's see NZD USD. Where was I? 80 CAD first. Yeah, here we go. CHF we talked about it. Did we talk about CHF That's the one I just did, right? Yeah, okay, cool. 80 CAD. All right, this is the loss. Okay, so let's explain that. This is the loss, small loss though, because I reduced my risk to the max since it was election week, and I'll show you also why. So all right, so this is the weekly time frame. We are bullish, and as you can see, I took a sell. So people are like, what the fuck? Yes, I did that as a day trade. Now, the main idea. So that's why I keep this 80 CAD on my watch list, because the main idea was to go bullish if the daily SOS. So I'm keeping this. And now let's move down. Let's move to the loss. So if you look, the daily was bearish. So daily was bearish, and I was just waiting for a pullback, retest previous structure to go down. Okay. And the reason why also I was willing to take it, it's because I mean, the weekly candle would have passed previous weekly, but with election week, we just rejected, and look at this weekly candle now, just like forming support right into that weekly golden zone. Okay, so for next week, that's gonna be beautiful. Daily just flip bullish. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. Fuck yeah. Let's come back to this first. Let's talk about the loss first. Okay. So now if you look at the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame was bearish at the moment. Now it's bullish, but if you look, it was bearish from here to here. Okay, so let me do this. It was bearish from here to here, and we had the pullback. So I was like, all right, cool. So I can take it down. Okay, so where did I take the entry? I took it on two. Oh yeah. So let's do the 1 hour first. Okay, so the best entry, that's exactly what I said here. This was the best entry, but missed it. It was at what time? 5 a.m. So I was not awake yet. I was just an hour from being awake. Okay, so I missed that entry, and when I showed up to the chart, it was like in this candle, and I was like, fuck, man. It's already coming down. So I was like, I cannot enter here. It just doesn't make sense. Would be stupid. Okay. So I'm like, all right, so what can I do? Because everything else makes sense as a day trade. So I'm like, okay, so what about the 2 hour? So once the 2 hour actually closed bearish, once we add a little pullback on the new candle, this is where I enter. Okay. So I did enter there, put aggressive stop above here, but reduce my risk to the max. I think it was a 0.5% or 1%. I can't remember. I don't want to say anything stupid. I don't want to BS you, but 0.5 or 1, nothing more. Okay. And it is what it is. I knew that it was a risky move. So, I mean, I accept the loss totally. Now, if you look at the day, at the 30-minute, yeah, nothing else on the 30-minute. So, yeah, so this was the loss. So I'm like, all right, it is what it is. Even if I would have entered this trade here, I would take a full loss, so it doesn't really matter at this stage. It just didn't play out. So it is what it is. So let's remove that now that we understand that loss. Thank you for the love, guys. I see those emoji flying. Love it. Especially that people are taking some free advice here and doesn't even smash the like button. I don't, like what the hell? And again, I don't ask the like button for myself. I don't care, that I care because that's the only way to reach out to more people to be able to help more traders. That's the only reason. Okay, so now What's next for AudiCAD? I think that's going to be beautiful next week. I think that's going to be one of my favorite ones. Look at this. So now we just flip bullish on daily. Daily, high, high. Daily, high, low. Perfect. Now I can remove this because this, I can remove this also. Perfect. Excellent. Excellente. Okay. Now that we got the weekly bullish, the daily bullish. Now, we know that when we switch bullish, there's two things. We can just, whoops, continue to the upside, we can just continue to the upside, or we might have a pullback first to go up. Okay, so there's two options here. Okay, so no matter what, I'm going to be watching this pair. Okay, now if you look at H4, we just form a new higher high. No matter what, I would wait for high-low on H4 to take my entry. Okay, so now the only thing I'm missing, I mean, not the only thing, but one of the things I'm missing is a pullback on H4. That's it. So it might happen today. So this one is actually being moved green and going up. Okay, so that looks nice. I really like this one. ADUSD. Holy fuck, man. Like election week was crazy. Crazy. What was going on? Okay. Crazy. I mean, crazy. Now, if you look at ADUSD, we got a weekly bearish for a while, like almost 2 years. Being in a range. What about the daily? Daily now, daily flipped bullish, and we're creating a new high. Okay, so we got a daily bullish, the weekly bullish. Oh no, sorry, the weekly we said bearish. Daily is bullish. Yeah. That's why it's orange. I was waiting for day trade here. 4 hours now bullish. There we go. Perfect. So now same thing for this day trade. I will wait for a pullback on H4. I can't believe I'm giving all those for free. And people are not able to fucking click the like button. Oh my god, guys! Like I don't understand people. Am I asking too much? Am I? Just let me know. Like, do you think it's asking too much to just ask help? I mean, I'm giving you my help, and I'm just like, is it asking too much to ask for your help to reach out to more people? I don't know. Maybe I'm not fair. Maybe. What about EU? We just discussed that. GA, no, thank you. Perfect. Okay, I think we did the tour. I think someone asked about USD CAD, if I'm not wrong. Let's see. USD CAD, we are definitely bullish on the weekly. Daily is also bullish. We had a pullback here. H4, bullish. Thank you for the new likes, guys. I really appreciate those. For our bullish, yeah, it doesn't look nice at all. Nothing compared to Euro USD. So Euro USD, I'm willing to take an I'm willing to make an exception this week. So if you missed that Euro USD breakdown, just rewind the stream when we're done and go check it out, because that one probably gonna have potential. And I usually do not trade. That's why it's red flag here. I do not trade. I don't trade Euro USD. I hate it. It's the most manipulated pair out there. Let me see here. Raph, how you doing, bud? Smash the like button, y'all filthy animals. Thanks, bro. I appreciate that. All right, so let's see. If there's is there any other pairs you guys want to take a look at? Please let me know. Let me know in the chat right now. Let me know if there's any other pairs you want to take a look at. By the way, guys, just quick rundown on something else while we're here. let me show you something. Um, uh, Let me show you something. Because if you never seen this, you need to go check it out and do your own research. Okay, this is an amazing freaking chat. Okay, I'm just gonna show you something. Um, this game, this game is just crazy. Okay, crazy. I mean, you got okay. Let me put the home. Okay, so here, this is a racing game. Okay, this is a horse racing game. I know for some people it's gonna be holy shit, this is awesome, and for other people like what the fuck, horse racing? Yes, horse racing is massive. It's crazy. It's so exciting. I know. I never really kind of be interested in it until this game. Okay, so what you can do is you can actually create your own stable. Okay, you buy horses on the marketplace. So I'm gonna do a quick recap here. So you got a marketplace, you can buy a horse. Here you see a price in Derby. Okay, so $1 equal 80 Derby, or 80 Derby equal $1. Okay, so you can buy those horses. You can raise them, breed them, sell them. So you can do as you want. Okay, so I got my stable right here. I got like right now I got two. If I do all, I got 258 horses right now. Yes, went a little crazy on it. And I'm a small stable in that game. There's some big one. And those graded horse are S. S plus and the SS minus are the best. And after that, you got S minus, A plus, A minus, B, and whatever. So the cool thing with this is like you grab a horse. Let me just racing. Actually, let's go check the race. Inbox. I actually got raised out and didn't watch here, so I have no clue how that's gonna go. So let's grab this one and watch this one. Just took a random one. So just to show you, let's put some sound. Fidelity Victory is my horse number 6. So far, every time I show a race on YouTube, or maybe not every time, but most of the time, I get a win. So hopefully, you guys keep, bringing the good luck here. And this one is a small race. It's an allowance race, so the purse is very small. But there's some purse that are massive. Like you're talking about like thousands of dollars. For a race that takes like what, a minute. Okay, looking good. Looking good. I'm in first. I'm in first. So this game is really cool. You got a link in the description here. And if you do want to try it and you sign up with that referral link, hit me up in my DM. I will send you 2 free horses. Okay. So you can start racing and earn real money. They also have a free league that they're going to give you a trainer horse that you can try and start and practicing racing with it. Well, I'm looking good right now. I'm looking good. I'm still first. We got a 12 furlong race here. 12 furlong is the distance. Let me remove the banner for 1 second. Um, there we go. So you see at the bottom of the screen, 12 furlong, right, turf, sloppy. This is the track. So the track is turning right, turf is the surface, sloppy is the weather. Okay, so you got a horse that prefer to race on dirt, on turf, sloppy, like dry, whatever. And man, I'm looking fuck, dude. You guys gonna bring me luck once again? Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious? Come on, baby. Like last time I showed a race, I think I also won. Uh-oh. Number 1 and number 4 are catching up. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner here. Bet on the real Derby? Fuck yeah, bro. And we got the virtual Kentucky Derby this weekend. So, by the way, guys, this is also a big part of the game. You don't have to play this game. You can just connect on the website, create an account, and just bet on the horses. And I'm telling you, this game is going to be in casino in the future. It's going to be in all kind of places. So you can actually if you don't care about racing, don't care about creating a stable, like my dad, like he just likes to bet on the horses. He does that. He goes, he study a little bit of the horses. Like, yeah, you know what? I'll bet on this one. I think this one's gonna win. And he's betting, and he's sometimes winning, sometimes he's losing. Fuck, we're getting a win, baby. Let's go. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, baby. All right, so now look at this guy, man. Family victory. So this is small race. So this is 2,268 Derby. So that means 2,268 Derby divided by 80. So that's $28 US. That's cool. That's not so bad. This is one race. Look at all the races I did today. So you can win, you can lose, obviously. But it's pretty interesting. It's a lot of fun, man. It's a lot of fun, this game. So if you're interested, I can help you out getting set up. Hit me up. And like I tell you, like if you sign up with the referral link, hit me up. I'll give you some horses that you can start to race with. So sorry, that was a little side note here because I really enjoyed that game. And that game is going to be like all over the place soon. I mean, the guys that did it is the guy behind he was working at EA Sport, and he actually did football Madden. He's the one behind the hit stick. So I mean, yeah, man. So anyways. Yeah, man. So that's fun. All right, so let's see if we have any other pair you want to go check out. Let me hit the chat for 1 second. Bet on the real Derby, yeah, baby. So you bet the real money? Yes, 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 yes. You do, you do. I mean, you buy Derby on the site with real money, and when you win obviously Derby, and you just withdraw that in USD. So very simple. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. W in the chat, baby. Yeah. Thanks, Raph, man. What is the refill? It's in the description. I'm pretty sure. Let me go check. I'm pretty sure it should be there. I'm pretty sure it should be there. Whoa, what? Whoa. Calm down. It should be there. Oh yeah, start racing at PhotoFinish Live. If you use this link, send me a DM. Blah blah blah. So yeah, this is their referral code right here. So I guess you use this full link here. I guess, or you. Whoa, what did I do here? Wait a second. Let's do this again. Let's click on this. So I'm guessing. Do you see? Okay. So yeah. So okay. So you go on. Oh yeah. I should change my link here. So it's yeah. Okay. Because it's confusing how it's written. Okay. So I'm gonna go change that. I should do a space here. Okay. I should do a space. Referral code is here. Actually, let me check. Thank you for asking that question, by the way, because I just realized that it was kind of screwed up. Let's see. Stable stats. No. Hold on. Give me 1 sec here. My stable. Settings. Here's the referral code. Right here. I'll put it in chat. Boom. There we go. So when they ask you for referral code, you just put that code. Okay. So that's gonna be linking you to me. Obviously, we get like a small like thing, but honestly, I don't really do it for that. I really do it because I want to expose that game to the public because it's so much fun. And I just want it to grow. It's just crazy. If you're on Twitter and you start to play, let me know. I'll give you a lot of accounts to follow on Twitter. You'll see, man, this game is fucking serious. Like there's people like there's stable. I swear to God, there's stables with like 2 employees full time managing their stables. It's just like crazy. People making a shit ton of money with that game, like crazy. Okay, but of course, this is non-financial advice. Do your own research. Okay, so very important. So let's get back to this here. Um, Code. All right. Got a free trainer horse. Here we go, baby. Did you use the code? Yeah, you use the code. Awesome. Yeah, so the free trainer horse is really great because you can start practicing. And you can also win a horse from the game stable. If you race, you win points during the season. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff. And if you want, just send me a DM on Discord. Also, I'll send you an invite to the Discord, PhotoFinish Discord here. That you're gonna find a lot of action there. Like everyone help everyone to get started. Like it's really amazing community, to be honest. Okay, it's an amazing game. A lot of stuff on YouTube, Twitch. A lot of people is doing lives about it, explaining and helping people to get started. Let's get into it. Let's do it, Betty, man. Send me a DM. I'll help you out. Okay. All right. So no more questions, guys. No more questions. Just send a DM. Awesome. Awesome, dude. Cheers. So it depends. I might not reply right now, by the way, because I might have to leave for pickleball. But you'll hear from me tomorrow, max. Okay. All right, guys. So thank you so much. Let me just put this here. All right. So thank you so much for tuning in tonight. It was a great episode. I appreciate every single one of you that did participate and smash that like button. And I'm going to be live once again on Tuesday morning. So make sure to tune in, send the info to your friends that have been trading or wants help. And I'm going to be there, man. Tuesday morning around 7:30 a.m. You definitely want to activate notification because I rarely go on at the exact same time. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Trade safe. Cheers. Happy end of the week. All right, guys. Take care. Hold on. Wait a second. Did I forget something? Did I forget something? No, I think we're good. Okay, we're good. All right. So peace out, guys. Take care.